Hello guys, we're going.
You got it backwards, but it's okay.
We're going on a boat tour today. And this is
Where at? Tell me where we're at.
We're in San Antonio.
Riverwalk.
The river walk.
Been here before, haven't
We've been here before.
we? And we've got a video of it.
Yeah, this is San Antonio. There's a boat. We flew, we took off in Mobile, we landed in Dallas, we took off in Dallas, and then we landed in San Antonio.
And one of us may have cried before we took off.
From Mobile. It was me. But when we started to land,
One of us may have cried before we left the house. That was Clayton.
and when we landed I didn't cry anymore.
And then the captain gave us a prize, didn't we?
Yeah, on the Boeing 737 to San Antonio.
What did you have to do to get that prize?
We had to go look for downtown San Antonio.
Take a picture.
Yep. Sure.
Show the captain.
Yep.
What prize did you get?
I got chocolate. I got
A little racing cup thing?
yeah. I got
That's right.
There's a boat over there, guys.
Chocolate and peanut butter, your favorite food.
We're fishing to get on a boat. I think there's someone laying down.
We're getting pretty close, aren't we? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, there's those ducks
Is that
again.
the Westin?
This is the Westin up here.
There's those ducks again.
Straight ahead.
Daddy, there's those ducks.
Those ducks are everywhere.
Also, there's ducks.
We gotta go through the theater.
Can I?
I thought that was just
Can
one.
I
Yeah,
record?
it is.
I'm recording on the boat tour. You can record some.
Got
Here,
plenty of
you
fun.
record. Okay. You record some. Hey guys,
Look at all these
that's my
prairie
brother.
dogs.
We're going.
Look at all the prairie dogs.
Look at all
Oh,
these.
that's roots.
Roots. There's a tree.
Prairie dogs, what I was doing yesterday.
And we're going on a boat tour. And I'm recording the whole boat tour. How about I hold it and you talk, okay? How about I hold it and you talk? It's bumpy. Okay. Hello guys, we're gonna go on a boat tour. And I'm gonna record all of it. Okay guys? Okay. This is my mom, our mom and dad. I think we got we're getting. And also we're gonna record in the in the big tower, and the is it called Amo or and we're also gonna record in the Amo. It'll be so much fun.
Right.
Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the video that we're making. There's a restaurant. People at a restaurant. We're fixing to get on our boat, guys. Don't worry. See you next time on the boat. We'll see you on the boat. And now stop recording. Hello, guys. We're on the boat. We're fixing to move. How about I record how about I record in the tower and in the Alamo, not in the boat tour. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Hi, guys.
Go show them the balcony.
Okay.
Colton's whining right now.
No, I'm not.
He was. And let me show you the bathroom. And let me show you the hotel. Colton's just whining.
Stop.
He always whines.
That in his unique skyline. Thank you for visiting the Tower of the
You don't want to go to the tower?
You have an incredible day.
I do.
Welcome to the Tower of the Americas.
Can I record the top?
Most spectacular views of San Antonio from 7
I'm gonna record the top.
I'm gonna record the trip up too.
Okay.
the city's famous
We're fixing to get on in the elevator.
You can learn about the Six Flags.
Fall down.
All right, we're at the top. That was a little bit sketchy, wasn't it? Now we're going outside.
No.
Watch Mama slam the door in her face.
Where that crane is, behind that crane.
Doesn't feel like at 700.
Look, there's that. Here's our path we just walked.
I'm gonna shake it. Yeah. I'm gonna shake the tower. No.
Don't shake the tower. Alright, let's walk around.
Penny nickel. This is my penny nickel. I meant what I forgot. We're going down. Whoa. Yeah, I'm going down. Oh, shit. Boo boo. I'm about to.
Whether you enjoyed an extraordinary meal at Chart House, a cocktail at Bar 601, or a great view from the observation deck, we hope your experience at Tower of the Americas was unforgettable. When we reach the ground, your tower experience isn't over. Check out our Skies Over Texas 4D theater experience for a high-flying adventure over the Lone Star State, or watch a few classic movies, all shown in 4D experience.
I wanna go to the Alamo first.
Tower Cafe. Bring home a souvenir from our expansive gift shop.
Okay,
Be sure to visit
we're going
our
to the
building
Alamo.
workshop located next to the retail gift shop.
I wanna
Tower
go to
of
the
the Americas and
Alamo.
Chart House Restaurant are operated by Landry's Inc. Be sure to try Landry's other dining
about to-
destinations at the San Antonio River. Thanks for visiting. We hope to see you again soon.